making videos for test corrections and to refer back to if you ever get stuck on a question, such as the homework I gave you today. So this is going to be very similar to your test corrections 1, 2, and 3. So it doesn't tell us which method to use, but also if you notice the equation, it doesn't have a bx. So when we don't have a bx, when no bx, we can take the square root. Okay? So here I'm going to combine, this first one I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to get this 7x on the other side so that way it can have a positive x squared. So I'm going to do add 7x squared to both sides. Okay, I'll get 9x squared here. And I'm going to bring that there. Minus 26 equals 10. Okay, what I want to do then, add 26 to get to the other side. Okay, I'll be left with 9x squared equals 36. Okay, my next step would be to get x squared by itself. I'll fix this here. Okay, so I'm going to divide by 9. Bring this down here. I'll get x squared equals 4. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay? After that, I want to get an x. So I'll get x by taking the square root of both sides. Okay, so that will be like this, square root that, square root that. Okay, this will get square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. Remember, I can do negative 2 times negative 2, and that will give me a positive 4. Or I can do a positive 2 times a positive 2. That will give me a positive 4. Remember our signs here. Okay. That's why it's plus or minus, because you can have two different solutions. Okay, so moving on to the next one over here. I have a negative 4x squared plus 256 equals 0. I'm going to move negative 4x squared to the other side so I can have a positive x squared. 4x squared plus 4x squared. I'll get 256 equals 4x squared. Okay, so my next step will be to get x squared by itself. Okay, so that means I'm going to have to divide by 4 on both sides. I'm going to switch my x squared to this side. Equals 256 divided by 4 will be 64. Next step after that will be to get x by taking the square root. Okay, Okay, so I'll square root both sides. And I'll get x equals plus or minus 8. Okay, so there's my two solutions for that one. And then I have two solutions for this one here.